Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start inside Chrome. Open the three-dot menu and pick Settings so you can control notifications immediately. Once inside, go to Privacy and Security and then Site Settings. This groups permission controls in one place. Scroll down to Notifications and click it to reveal current rules and active site permissions. You're doing this now to see which sites are allowed and which are blocked, because modifying those entries is the first practical step to stop unwanted pop-ups and alerts. Now refine which sites can interrupt you. First, toggle the global switch labeled Sites can ask to send notifications if you want to stop all new prompt requests. Once done, review the allowed list and remove or block specific sites using the three-dot menu beside each entry. Blocking stops future notices from that origin. If a site persists, click its entry and choose Reset Permissions to clear stored choices. Then reopen the site and deny notification requests to prevent automatic re-enabling. Finish by verifying system-level notification settings and extensions. Chrome extensions or your operating system can still push alerts, so open OS notification preferences and disable Chrome notifications there if needed. If a stubborn site still appears, clear its site data or sign out to force a fresh permission prompt, then deny notifications. Troubleshoot by opening an incognito window. Extensions are disabled there, so you can confirm whether an extension.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.